If you are just like me and you are always sitting on the sofa with your drink, phone, or maybe your charger and you want everything organized, I found the solution. Keep watching this video. I've been trying to make my space feel a little more warm and living. And this nightstand or side table honestly fits that vibe really well. It has that vintage look without feeling outdated. I really like how everything comes in the package and it comes mostly put together, which I appreciated. I literally just had to screw on the legs and that was it. I really like that the drawers are actually pretty roomy. I keep all the little things I usually lose. Chargers, the remote control, maybe a lip balm, even small books, and it doesn't feel cramped. It's been really helpful just having everything in one place and not being looking around for things. And this part, I didn't think I care about this, but I use it every single day now. You can just plug your phone right here. No more reaching behind the bed for outlets. The finish and the little details make it look more expensive than it is, which I love. When buying this, take into consideration that this is compact but not oversized. This has worked perfectly in my space. So if you are looking for something functional but still cute and simple, this has been a really easy addition to my space.